Plants are very often used in interior decor, and we tend to think that's only due to their beauty and to the fact that they're green and so they make the space feel more fresh. But there's another reason why plants were brought indoors in the first place, so they can purify the air. The air inside our homes is usually more polluted than the air outside. Trees and vegetation take care of the purifying process outdoors, but we can also use them to improve the air quality indoors as well. Stay with me, and you will discover 12 most air-purifying houseplants. 1. The English ivy. The English ivy was listed by NASA scientists as the best air-filtering houseplant. It's very effective when it comes to absorbing toxins, and it's also very easy to grow as it doesn't require a lot of maintenance. This plant also allows you to display in numerous different ways, either as a hanging or a floor plant. 2. The peace lily. This plant is one of the few air purifiers that flower, so it's also a great choice as a decorative feature. It's a low-maintenance plant and it does great in shade and cooler temperatures. However, it is poisonous to pets, so be careful with it if you have parrots or other pets that might be tempted to have a taste. 3. The snake plant. Continuing on the same tone, let's take a look at another low-maintenance houseplant which you're most likely familiar with, the snake plant or Sansevieria trifasciata. It needs little light and water, and it's a great corner plant. The reason why it's a wonderful choice as an air purifier is that it absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen during the night, so by having it in your home along with a plant which does the same thing during the day, you ensure a continuous cycle. 4. The spider plant. This is a perfect plant for those of you who are beginners at this and are not used to taking care of indoor plants. It's very resilient, it reproduces quickly, and it also flowers. It's one of the most common houseplants and also one of the best air purifiers, fighting pollutants such as benzene, carbon monoxide and xylene, which is used in leather, rubber and printing. 5. The Red-Edged Dracaena. This is a plant you should have in your home if you don't mind it growing to the ceiling height. It grows best in sunlight, so you should offer it a spot near the window. Although it grows tall, it's relatively compact, so it doesn't require a lot of floor space. 6. Aloe Vera. The aloe plant is commonly known for its healing properties, but the plant is more resourceful than you think. It can also help clear the air of pollutants found in cleaning products, and it has a simple system for showing you if the amount of harmful chemicals in the air becomes excessive. Brown spots appear on the leaves. 7. The Golden Pothos. This plant gained its spot on the list for its ability to clear formaldehyde as well as carbon monoxide and benzene from the air. It grows easily in cool temperatures and needs little sunlight. It's a hanging plant, but it can also be trained to climb a trellis. 8. The lady palm. Easy to grow and very graceful, this plant targets ammonia, which is a major ingredient in cleaners, textiles and dyes. It's an easy to grow plant and a tree-like species, and it takes a while until it gets this characteristic shape, but once that phase passes, its beautiful leaves will become a permanent decoration for your home. 9. The Gerber Daisy. Perfect for the laundry room or the bedroom, this plant helps remove trichloroethylene, found in dry cleaning products, and benzene from the air. It makes beautiful and colorful flowers, but it needs plenty of sunlight, so reserve a spot near a window. 10. The Azalea. Azalea is a beautiful flowering shrub which does well in cool areas and needs sunlight to survive. A good spot for it would be in the basement if you have windows there. It purifies the air from formaldehyde like most plants we've presented here. 11. The Boston Fern. This plant has feather-like leaves and curved fronds, and it's considered one of the most efficient air purifiers. However, it's a little bit more difficult to care for because it requires constant moisture and humidity. Some studies show that this plant can remove mercury and arsenic from soil. 12. The Wax Begonia. This succulent produces beautiful flowers during the summer which can be white, pink or red and arranged in clusters. It needs lots of sunlight, and it's very efficient at filtering out benzene and chemicals produced by toluene.